Hoagie Carmichael on Stardust, written by Hoagland Howard Carmichael, who was born in 1899 in Bloomington, Indiana. Hoagie went to study law at Indiana University, but he was already a jazz maniac and didn't pay much attention. He had his own band called the Carmichael Syringe Orchestra. One day Hoagie heard a young cornet player named Bix Beiderbecke, and as he put it threw my judgment all out of kilter. It was a sound like nothing he ever heard before, and it was a mutual admiration society. Hoagie improvised a tune for Bix, and Bix said to him, "Why don't you write music, Hoagie?" Well, the rest of his life was the answer to Bix's question. In 1936, Hoagie went to Hollywood, where he said, "The rainbow hits the ground for composers." One of the most famous songs Hoagie ever wrote was Stardust, and like many songwriters, he wasn't sure where it really came from. This is what he had to say the first time he ever heard a recording of Stardust. "And then it happened, that queer sensation that this melody was bigger than me. Maybe I hadn't written it at all. The recollection of how, when, and where it all happened became vague as the lingering strains hung in the rafters in the studio. I wanted to shout back at it, 'Maybe I didn't write you, but I found you.'" Hoagie Carmichael on Stardust. I know just what he meant.